So if 2/3 is added to a reciprocal of a number, the result is 17/3. So it equals 17/3. Find the number. So when we talk about reciprocal of a number, what does that mean? So reciprocal of a number. So reciprocal of numbers simply means that it's, if I want to take the reciprocal of a number, I basically flip it, or basically I do 1 over that number, right? So if I had x, for example, the reciprocal of x would be 1 over x, right? I'm dividing it by 1 over that specific number here. So I'm going to have here this, so in this blank, I'm going to hit 1 over x here, because this here is my reciprocal of x. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply just algebraically solve this problem here, right? I have 1 over 2/3 plus 1 over x equals 17/3. I can move this 2/3 to the side here and subtract both sides by 2/3. So 17/3 minus 2/3 here. And I have 1 over x equals 17/3 minus 2/3. They have the same denominator, so I can just simply subtract the numerators. I'm going to have 15/3. And then I know that 15/3 is actually just 5 here, right? So I have 1 over x here equals 5 here. And then finally, I can simply just, I can take the reciprocal of, or what I can do is, again, I have 1 over x. I can multiply both sides by x here to get 1 equals 5x. And then finally, I can divide both sides by 5, right? So I get x equals 1 over 5. So this here is my solution for the number here. This x here would give me the this equation, would satisfy this equation. So x equals 1/5. As you can see, they also wrote x equals 1/5. So the solution here is correct. Good explanation.